if your footage was blurry noise or stuck at low resolution. So don't worry, because today I bring for you a new AI tool named Aiarty Video Enhancer that can upscale, denoise, restores details, boosts frame rate, and even cleans audio. And if you want its license key for 6 months for free, then watch the video till the end. Let's have a quick overview of how well Aiarty can improve video quality. Here's a before and after comparison. Now let's see how to download this AI Video Enhancer. To download this enhancer, click on the link which I have given in description. Then click on Download. Then click here. It will start downloading. After downloaded, open the enhancer. Before we move to try it, let's know about its features. This is a preview screen. Here you can see before and after results. And this is the output settings. From here, you can choose your best output for fast processing and quality. Here is different type of enhancement model. All three have different work in enhancement field. Let's know about this 3 of them. First is Mode Detail HQ V2. This mode is all about bringing back lost details. It's great for videos where you want sharper textures, like hair, grass, leaves, or text on signs. It enhances clarity while keeping the natural colors balanced. Next is Smooth HQ V2. This mode focuses on removing flaws and making the video look clean and natural. It smooths out noise and imperfections, but still keeps the colors and overall look consistent. It's ideal for indoor videos, people shots, or clips that just need subtle cleanup without over-sharpening. And third is Super Video VHQ. This one is designed for extremely dark or low-light footage, like night streets, cityscapes, or dimly lit rooms. It does a strong job of reducing heavy noise while keeping details visible. It's a bit slower to process. But if you've got noisy nighttime clips, this is the mode to use. Now let's see other features. This is Upscale settings. Here you can select your quality enhancement. You can enhance your quality up to 4K. Now let's try all these features one by one. First, try with Mode Detail, HQ V2. Select it, then import your video. Play it. You can also select a specific part from here which you want to enhance. Now select Upscale settings. I will select 4x. Now click on Preview to see results. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. As you can see how sharp and clarity it make the video. Let's export it. Before export, select the FPS. Then select your video format. Now click on Export. Here you can see it start exporting. See here how it changed the video resolution from low to high. Let's see before and after results. Let's try one more different video. Oh wow, look this how good it enhanced to this video and increased the clarity of the numbers. Now let's try Smooth HQ V2. I have already explained that this mode focuses on removing flaws and making the video look clean and natural. It smooths out noise and imperfections, but still keeps the colors and overall look consistent. Now let's see before and after results. Let's try one more. Oh, look this houses. How it cleaned and makes the houses sharpen and clear. Let's try third enhancement. Select Super Video VHQ. As we know, this enhancement is very useful for us because it's designed for extremely dark or low light footage, like night streets, cityscapes, or dimly lit rooms. It does a strong job of reducing heavy noise while keeping details visible. As you can see how it removed the all grain and noise particle from video and make it neat and clean. Let's see before and after results. Let's try one more. Oh wow, now look how it enhanced the normal recording video too. 4K enhanced video with no color loss. This is going to be one of the best enhancement tools. Now let me quickly show you some extra features. First, we've got Edit. This lets you trim or crop your video right inside Aiarty without needing another editor. Next is Color, where you can fix brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your footage look more balanced. Then we have Frame Interpolation. This one's powerful. It can turn a normal 30 frames per second clip into 60 or even 120 frames per second, making your video super smooth. You can also use it for slow motion since it automatically generates extra frames. And finally, Audio Denoise. Perfect if your video has background noise. It cleans up the sound so your main audio is clear. So these tools give you extra control along with video upscaling and enhancement. And that's it for today's video. We just saw how Aiarty Video Enhancer can make a huge difference with features like upscaling, frame interpolation, and audio denoise. Honestly, it's a really powerful tool for both editors and casual users who just want better quality. I'll leave the download link in the description so you can check it out yourself. And now let's talk about how you can win the license key for free. Drop 2 to 3 genuine comments on this video. Add your Telegram ID in your YouTube bio, and after 7 days, I'll pick the winners for free Aiarty license keys. Don't spam same comments, and subscribe if you want to stay updated.